It got a little bit darker, but it was okay.
Yes, dude. Get out. I'm so good at getting bugs out. I go like this. I literally block off all their rotations.
He's good at getting bugs out.
She look like 90s R&B.
I will give you $20 if you can guess what this is.
It still look hella good to me.
Here it is. Doesn't look very comfy.
We could show it everyone.
Tell me this is not a cool chair. My neighbors probably hate me down there. That is so much better. It looks a little low right now because I didn't put I didn't put it together pretty much. It's just sitting on there. I'll probably forget that and I'll probably sit on it later and break it. We can't sit on it yet, but I put it in the background so we can admire it over there. Look at it. Look. While we admire it, let me tell you about today, what we've got planned. We're gonna hit the beach, and also I think the most exciting part is you guys are gonna come behind the scenes with me to my next video shoot. So like I'm filming a full separate video, and you guys are coming along with me. So we're going downtown Vancouver, and you're gonna get a sneak peek of the video, and also one of the apartments in the video, so you're gonna see a lot. Plans changed, and it is a couple days later now, and now we are going to tour that apartment for this video. So still gonna be the same thing behind the scenes, it just got delayed, because I'm coordinating different apartments and all this stuff to tour, and sometimes that happens.
It's hard to say one thing. You got friends and they know my body well. Can't be mad, my business out in the streets. I still hope you come see.
Just got to my friend's apartment, and I'm just like helping him clean up and everything, so it's ready for the video. But yeah, I appreciate my friends Evan and Arnica for letting me film their apartment. Not everyone would do that. Let me film their apartment so I can make money, you know? It's just it's funny when I say it like that, but I appreciate it. I appreciate them. So yeah, this is a 1-bed, 1-bath apartment. This is a quick sneak peek. I'm not gonna show you too much because you gotta watch the video next week or the week after. I don't know when it'll be done, but really nice space. It's like 600 square feet. That also means it's easy to clean because it's not too big. So we're just putting some stuff away. Got my new lens. Spent $1,000 on this yesterday. Hashtag stonks, not stonks. Hopefully it makes me more money than I spent on it over time. So then it would be stonks. Honestly, I hope it stays decent weather because check it out. It's gray. It's not raining though, but if I'm filming another video, I need it to be at least decent. Okay, gonna finish cleaning and record this video so I can get out of here, get on to the next thing. Dude, I'm trying to record a video. Get out of here. So yeah, this apartment sucks ass. Got him. Got him.
I was born in the city, I was raised on its edges. My pop worked his life when it's complex. I found love in its center. If I could live here forever, think it'd be for the better. I love the weather, even though it's fog 24/7. I love the people. This is city, I met all my best friends, and I wanna thank every brick. I wanna thank every entrance to every building that I step in this city of mine. Oh, you
Got a little bit darker, but it was okay.
Yes, dude. Get out. I go like this. I literally block off all their rotations. Get outside, boy.
He's good at getting bugs out.
Whatever.
City of mine. How I love this city of mine.
I just got home and there is another box, but also this is a chair now and it's actually built. I've got another box. I've gotten like a box every day for probably 2 weeks, like Christmas. This is my new office chair from Autonomous. And this video is sponsored by Autonomous. This is Editing Adam interrupting with this message saying that I've had this chair for about a week now, maybe even more, and I have 0 complaints. This chair is very nice. I'm glad they sent it to me. I wanted a chair that looked good in my office, you know, and I kind of outgrew the gamer chair aesthetic. Can't be a grown man in a gamer chair forever. It's got height adjustment, tilt adjustment, locking, arms moving up and down, vertical, side to side. Pretty much it has a lot of customization. And it also keeps me productive though, because I don't have to get up as much and like walk around and stretch because it's just such a comfortable chair. 5% discount code below, just saying. The exact one I've got, by the way, is the Ergo Chair Pro Plus with the black frame and the black mesh because I think it just goes with everything. Also gonna link their YouTube channel with their products below. Thank you, Autonomous, for sponsoring this video, and now back to the vlog. Let me give you the apartment update and the prices, so all the stuff that I've bought in the last like 2 weeks and how much it cost me. Don't mind this box. That's what my new chair came in. This, and I'm sorry for the mess, but this was $50. Some guy built this table, and with 6 chairs, a table and 6 chairs, it was $50 on Facebook Marketplace. Just past that, on the side, we've got this hanging shelf that I just hung up. The lighting is the best in the corner, I swear. Look at that. It looks so much better. Over here, the TV stand and the coffee table are both from Bouclair, I believe. And we bought these together on Facebook Marketplace for $100 for both. It's a pretty good deal. When I was looking for a carpet in here, my criteria was just that I wanted to have something that if I wanted to lay down on it, it would be comfortable. So I know there's like other stuff in the way, but if I want to lay down on it, I can, because it's nice, it's soft. Every time someone comes into my apartment, I get them to give me one idea. So that's what this book is for. And of course, the couch. If you've seen my other videos, which you should have, then you'd know that I had a bigger couch in here before that literally went all the way up to here. Replaced it with this one for $500, which was also on Facebook Marketplace, but it was pretty much brand new. People were saying if they had my room and the walk-in closet, they would do the same thing with the bed. So let me show you guys what I've done. Just have my desk and this armoire, which I'm gonna replace actually. Let me show you something. This is the dolly that we bought. And I don't know if you can tell, but this wheel, this wheel is very bent. Yeah, there you go. And it says it can carry 300 pounds. And all of a sudden, it wouldn't roll anymore. Look at that. That's because of you. There's just so much space in here. Like, I've never had this much just open space. And yes, for those of you that want to see the bed, it is in the closet. I was not memeing around, okay? I was serious. It's pretty comfy, so come check it out. JK. This is not how it's gonna stay, by the way. I'm gonna do that full apartment reveal probably next month, where this is gonna be fully done. I'm gonna have stuff on the walls, and it's gonna look way better. Like, this is literally gonna be my dream office, so I'm planning to make it nice. Yes, to do that transition, I did jump on my shoes.
It's 100 degrees. Why you feeling down? What's the problem?
It is hot.
We just here to be free. It don't feel like this often. Bumping to the radio. Focus on us, the moonlight close. No, we don't give a fuck. We ain't gotta change a thing no more. Fuck it, we gon' do it 'cause we want to.
This man ordered a linguine at the beach.
Chase Tennessee with a kiss and doesn't wait.
I kind of started these vlogs out of nowhere with not much of an explanation as to like what they are. What I want them to be is something that feels familiar, that you guys can come and, you know, when I upload one of these videos, these vlogs, you already know what to expect, like the feeling, the kind of content, and I want it to be something that maybe can bring a smile to people's face. I'm not doing anything sensational. I'm not doing anything crazy compared to some people's vlogs. My favorite videos are the ones you can just put on and kind of relax like you're hanging out with that person. That's what I'm going for, and I want to try to keep bringing that energy and that feeling to these videos because those are my favorite types of videos, and I want to create something that I like to watch myself. So hopefully that energy comes across to you guys, and these are the type of feelings you get when you watch my videos. If they're not, that's okay too, but I just want them to be special.
We just here to be free. It don't feel